a walking tour through the Qianmen and Dashilar area. Behind me you see Qianmen, which is very famous of course and has a forbidden city. But we are going to the other side, which has some really nice hutongs, some art galleries, some local restaurants, and I'm going to explore it with a few other people. It's actually a hosted tour. They offer this tour for free in Beijing. And yeah, I'm gonna take you with me and show you this part of Beijing. Area where we're walking now used to be the area for artists and the creative people who were not really allowed to live in the inner city back in the day, like the generals and lawyers who were allowed to live closer to the forbidden city. And this was really for the artists, and that's why we can still see like street art here these days and why you have a lot of galleries here. They're small and they're not going to have everything you want, but you can pretty much get everything you want and need here. This is where the locals do their shopping, and they're wondering what I'm doing. So here's a little butcher. 我不上车，没有在冰上里，所以我有点害怕。
您哪个国家的？
哦，我是荷兰人。荷兰，对。
阿姆斯特丹。
对，但是我不来自阿姆斯特丹。
布雷特。
对，荷兰。
里杰卡尔德。
来嘎，对。I know they're Dutch players。
那你会中文啊？
会啊。
哟。
会啊，我就在中国7年了。
是吧？
对。
在哪个
？Mosquitoes everywhere. So if I wanted to buy some meat, it's like no, it's not been in the fridge, so I'm a little scared buying it. And then, oh, where are you from? It's like, well, I'm from the Netherlands. Oh, Amsterdam! And Rijkaard and Gullit, some like football players from the 80s. So that's funny that they all know those people. The walls. I've been to this part, like I've been to the Qianmen hutongs, but not to the hutongs where they have all these paintings on the wall. Even though they're new, I'm not sure if all of them are new. What do you think? Are all of them new? Those paintings?
The hutongs or the paintings?
No, these paintings everywhere.
They don't look that new.
No.
To be honest, and I'm afraid that in the future these hutongs are going to go away too.
Now look, I think they're really pretty. And they probably all tell stories. 5星人座看手表. I climbed up the rooftop terrace of a little cafe bookshop just to show you the view over all the hutongs here. It is really different from the rest of like the outside of the second ring road, because the hutongs are all just one floor and they're not built on top of each other, so everything is really low. Characters and how they were formed from what pictures they were based on. End of our little walking tour through the Qianmen / Dashilar area. I hope you liked seeing an impression of these hutongs. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.